Let's understand what the mean is and which of these options correctly defines it. Here are our options. Is mean another word for average, median, standard deviation, or dataset average? Let's understand this with an example. Consider these numbers: 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. To find the mean, we add all numbers and divide by how many numbers there are. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 equals 30. Then divide by 5. Since we have 5 numbers, this gives us 6. Let's visualize this. Here are our numbers as bars. The mean represents the balancing point, or average height. The median, which is different from the mean, would be the middle number when our data is arranged in order. In this case, it's also 6, but that's just a coincidence. So, mean is indeed another word for average. Both terms refer to the sum of all values divided by the number of values. Options A and D are essentially the same thing. They both refer to the arithmetic average. Therefore, the mean is another word for average. It's a measure of central tendency that gives us the arithmetic average of a dataset.